ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો. બીબીએ સેમ 5 ના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ માટે આજથી આપણે વિડિયો લેક્ચર શરૂ કરવા માટે જઈ રહ્યા છીએ. બીબીએ સેમ 5 માં ટેક્સેશન 1 એટલે કે ઇન્કમ ટેક્સ સબ્જેક્ટ નો વિડિયો આપણે આજથી શરૂ કરીએ છીએ. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ, what is income tax? Income tax means a certain amount paid to central government on excess income on SSE. SSE means a person have to pay to central government is called income tax. Second, SSE. SSE means a person, means an SSE is a person by whom any amount या तो any tax is paid to central government, means a person is known as an SSE. In taxation there are 2 points very important: assessment year and previous year. Assessment year and previous year both are 12 month, means starting on 1st April and ending on 31st March. For an example, the current assessment year is 2020-2021. In this year you have to pay tax, you have to calculate tax, means in which year you have to calculate tax या pay tax. That year is known as assessment year, but income is considered of the previous year. Previous year means immediately previous year of the assessment year, means assessment year is 2020-2021, then previous year is 2019-2020. Income of previous year is considered and you have to pay tax in assessment year. In means in short, assessment year માં તમારે tax ભરવો પડે, but income કયા year ની ધ્યાનમાં લેવામાં આવે છે? લાસ્ટ યર મીન્સ પ્રીવિયસ આગળના વર્ષની. મીન્સ એસેસમેન્ટ યર છે એ વર્ષમાં તમારે ટેક્સ ભરવો પડે, પણ તમારી જે કાંઈ પણ ઇન્કમ કે એક્સપેન્સ જે કાંઈ પણ કન્સિડર લે છે કયા યરની હોય છે? પ્રીવિયસ યરની. ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. Now second lecture, methods of assessing tax. There are two methods for the calculation of tax. One is step method and second is slab method. Step method is a old method in which income tax is calculated at a single rate on the total income of the person. For an example, suppose total annual income of a person is rupees 5,16,000. There are slab of tax on first 2,50,000, income tax 0. Income 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, rate of tax 10%. Income 5 lakh to 10 lakh, rate of tax 20%. And income more than 10 lakh, then rate of tax 30%. Now an example, total income of a person 5,60,000, then this income is calculated on third, means more than 5 lakh, means between 5 lakh to 10 lakhs, means rate of tax is considered 20%, means total income 5,16,000 into rate of tax 20%, means total tax amount 1,03,200. Means in this method single rate of tax is considered. Income 5,16,000 means 5,16,000 are in third step, means rate of tax 20%, means 20% of total income. In second method, slab method. This is a modern method of income tax. In this method, tax is calculated in slab. Suppose same example, total income of a person 5,16,000, means up to 250 tax amount 0. Second 250 to 5 lakh means income more than 5 lakh, means total difference of second step 2,50,000 means 2,50,000 into 10% means tax amount 25,000. Third, 5,16,000 means 5 lakh 2 5,16,000. આપણે ક્યાં સુધી જવાનું છે 10 લાખ સુધી નહીં. ટોટલ ઇન્કમ કેટલી છે 5,16,000 મીન્સ ઇન થર્ડ સ્લેબ 5 lakh to 5,60,000 means difference 16,000 and that 20 percentage of 16,000 means 3,200. First slab 0, second slab 25,000, third slab 3,200 means total of 3 0 plus 25,000 plus 3,200 means total tax amount 3,200. Means step method only single rate taken into consideration. In slab method tax is calculated slab means step by step. Okay, in next lecture we start our lecture